Hi guys, I'm Jazba. I'm a beauty blogger and makeup expert, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps that I do my makeup in. If you've ever wondered what goes first, concealer, eyeshadow, how do I do it, just keep watching and I'll show you how. So you always want to start off your makeup by doing a primer base. This gives your foundation something to grab onto. So I've primed my skin, I've put on my foundation, and I've done my concealer. Now I'm going to move on to eyes. I'm actually going to prime my eyelids now so my eyeshadows have something to grab onto. So with that step done, I can move on to powder. Just to give it a little bit of definition. Finish up the eye by doing a little bit of a shimmer across the mobile lid. And I like to finish off the eye with a little coat of mascara. Can't forget to finish our eyebrows off and complete the eye look. With our eyes complete, we can move on to our cheeks. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of bronzer just to warm up the hollows of my face. And with my bronzer in place, I'm now ready to move to the next step, which is my blush. That's going to go on the apples of my cheeks. Can finish off the look with lips. I'm going to start with a lip liner because this again provides a bit of a base for your lipstick to grab onto. And now I'm going to finish off with a liquid lipstick. And that's the order I do my makeup in. If you guys found this video helpful, please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can stay notified for more videos from MyGlamm.